My name is Mlasowsky. I'm an artist born in Germany and now living in the US. And I primarily work in glass, or used to work in glass, but that kind of idea of what it means to be working in glass now has expanded into video installation work as well. I think the favorite thing for me about working with glass is how much it changes and how many different states it can go through. You know, it can be opaque and transparent, it can be hard and soft, it can be liquid and solid. And so it has this ability to be more than one thing and also kind of be opposites in the same. And I think that's what's the best about the material. And then of course, that's also why I think I'm so interested in working with work that is process-based, because it is for me about watching the material perform and do something. As much as I perform in the studio, I want the material performing for me too. I have moved around so much and I've lived in so many different countries. I now use the material much more to express a lot of the questions that are connected still to value, but value more based on culture, where you can think of the reasons we evaluate something a certain way is based on where we were born and what we grew up with. So we only see really what we know. And going from there, I use the material to make it see and make other people see things that they didn't know. I don't think as an artist I will ever stop emerging. And also because I change as a person, not just as an artist, but as a human. My needs, desires, my views of life and my wishes for the future constantly change. And so, of course, because of that, I'll never ever reach what I set out to do. And I think I've achieved a lot of the things that I ever wanted to do, but then as soon as you achieve them, you have other goals. So you will never achieve where you're thinking you are going in the beginning as an emerging artist, and probably at 60 I will still be the same.